done.
How's the corner
Working my way up to the blind right there. This is a winter rye plot we put in this year, trying to take the field back from all the weeds. Kind of a swirly wind, but finally quit raining. It's been raining for 2 days, 3 days, I don't know. Bab and I hunted this morning, saw 2 deer at like 180 yards. Oh, yeah. It's the first time anybody's hunted up here. I'm just more observation sitting. Watch below the gas line, watch the field edge, see what goes on. Winter rye looks pretty good. It's Tuesday, October 15th. I'm in the pine tree blind below the gas line. That's what we call it. We got a new winter rye plot in here. Pass across the road behind the red barn. And pretty much an observation set for me, but if something comes close enough, if it's a big doe, I'll probably take it. It's gonna be tough to draw in here. It's not the biggest blind. Nobody's hunting, as you can see it, hear it, it's pretty windy. It's the right direction, but it's gonna be interesting. Might be time to fill the freezer. Let's go. She's down for sure. She only ran probably 60 yards. I can see her laying there, right in the laneway. Wow, that was pretty cool. Tough setup in here, but she walked right to me. I bet she wasn't. If she was 10 yards, I'd be shocked. Heck yeah, fill in the freezer, baby. Oh yeah, that's a good sized doe. Anything with the bow. Hard to pass them up when they're 10 yards. I'm gonna get another arrow out. Watch the footage back, see how it looks, but should be pretty good because she was close. Alright, I'm out of the blind. That's enough for one day. Bob's still hunting. He's got deer in front of him. Not sure he'll get a shot or not, but I'm gonna do a little daylight recovery, which is always my favorite, and go from there. Gonna pace it off, see how far she really was. Didn't look far from in here, but here's the blind. We were out in this, or they were out in this winter rye we put in. She's laying right there. So step out here and find my arrow. Well, there's hair right there. There's hair. I was there. Oh, there it is. Right there. I was gonna say, gotta be an arrow laying here somewhere. Now I'm gonna kind of track her. Always good for practice. I mean, I know she's right there. You can see dig marks in the dirt here and see what kind of blood trail we got. It's quartering away, so I was picturing where it was gonna come out. So a little bit back, but came out perfect. It looked like I was watching her. She was bleeding good. That's where she was running, I think. Yeah, right there's blood. Good blood. Good blood early. Spraying. Oh yeah. Spraying both sides there. Think I could track that through here. Alright, gonna keep going and go over there and double check her and go from there. There she is. You say 57 yards from the blind. That's the exit hole, that's what we're looking for. Good size doe. Yep, she didn't make it far. That one's for proof. That's two. Get her cleaned up, get her in the truck, maybe Bob will add to the pile. Okay, just gonna do a quick recap. We were out here, whole purpose, hopefully try to get a doe for Prue. Bob likes to think they're for him, but they're really for Prue. This is a winter rye field we put in, food plot, this spring, summer. Got a hawk staring me down over there. You can have some later. But anyways, we got this winter rye plot. Seen one little doe up above me, and then all of a sudden she was staring and stamping to my left. And out came this one with at least 2 or 3 other ones. And she stopped and was feeding like 13 yards broadside. She's a good sized one. Was too pretty of a setup and too nice of a chance not to take it. It was broadside, quartering away slightly. That's the exit, and couldn't be happier. Off to a good start. That's deer number 2 for me. One in PA Friday, and this one today, Tuesday. And got to work the next 2 days. Anniversary weekend this weekend with the wife, and she lets me chase them. So I'm gonna get out of town for a few days and then get back at it. So off to a good start. That's Norm 2, Sled 1, the rest of them 0. But in fairness, they haven't really hunted, so. Alright, let's keep things going.